So I'm going to show you how to plant broccoli seeds. I'm going to start them off in a seed tray. I think it's a little bit easier with broccoli to start them off with a seed tray, and then when they've grown on a bit, then plant them outside if you want to. So this one is Brassica Purple Sprouting. So you get 350 seeds in here. Because they're relatively small, I'm going to do a few in each cell, and then I'll prick out the weaker ones to leave a stronger one when they've grown on a bit. I'll probably put about 3 in each. I've also pre-filled this with multi-purpose compost, and I've watered it already, so I don't have to do that afterwards and drown them. So I'll just press those down a bit so they've got good contact with the soil. Okay, and then I'll just cover that with more compost. Okay, so if you label that up so you know what it is, and then you can pop that in a greenhouse or a cold frame and let that grow on. And then, as I said before, pinch out the weaker ones until you've got some strong plants, and you can pot them on. You can plant these in the spring or in the autumn. And then if you want an autumn harvest, if you do that in the summer after the heat has subsided a little bit. Yeah, that's how you plant broccoli.